What is up? Welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be something a little different. We're not going to be doing any fabricating or welding or anything like that. Today we're going to be working on my 2001 Silverado. Now you haven't seen much of this truck because it is my shop work truck and it's rusted out. Just doesn't look really that good. It does have a set of 2017 black 20-inch stock wheels. That's about the best thing I've done to the truck. Super clean interior. What I do want to do is eventually we're going to do the sheet metal on it. But I also want to upgrade the lighting on it. I want to do like a blacked out headlights, blacked out taillights, and blacked out third brake light. And that's what we're going to do today. Today we're going to tackle the third brake light. So let's get to that. Let's get that off, and then we're going to check out a website and see what options they got for me. Let's get started. Alright guys, for my third brake option, I want to go with a kind of blacked out, smoked out lens. And we are in 2023 now, so why not have LED lighting? So let's go to a company called Auxito Lighting, see what options they have for me. Alright, let's type in Auxito in your search bar. Go to Auxito Lighting. We are gonna say, well, let's say lighting assemblies. 2001 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Comes up with the option for third brake light. And there it is. Let's go down here to add to cart. Let's press checkout. Put in all your information, hit enter. Tell you what, that was the fastest shipping I've ever had. Let's get this opened. I already cut the tape. Comes packaged pretty good. All in bubble wrap. Comes with your foam to stick to the back side of it. Take that. Oh, it's double wrapped. That's nice. There it is. Looks pretty good to me. Got your connections. All right. Let's take this and get it on the truck. See how it looks. All right, let's get this installed. I got my weather seal on the back of it. That keeps all the rain, water, and everything from getting into the cab and connections, everything like that. So we'll take our connectors, we'll hook our connectors up, kind of sit everything in there. Another really nice thing, they come with these little foam, I guess you could call them little washers. Put over your screw, that way the water doesn't get in there either. Now one little thing you could do is put new screws in this and kind of clean it up. I'm not going to do that right now because the truck is eventually going to get painted. So we'll probably end up taking all the stuff out, cleaning all the bolts when we do that. But right now, that looks pretty clean. Let's test it out and see what it looks like. Oh, there's the cargo lights. That looks pretty nice. All right, guys, there you have it. Super simple. Looks really good on there too, and light, I mean, you can't go wrong with LED lights. So if you like what you see, check out Auxito's website. They got a ton of lighting options as far as LED bulbs. They have options for tail lights, third brake lights, headlights. Check them out, see if they got something for your ride. Down below, I will have a link. Go check out their website, plug in your ride, see what they got for you. Use the discount code PICKLEFAB to get 15% off your order. If they got something for you, you can take that stock brake light, get rid of it, get something cool. For now, that's it. Come back next week and see what else we get done on that. Thanks for watching. See ya.